Hey folks, Elder Law Care attorney Patrick Kelleher coming to you from elderlawcare.com. Folks, one of our YouTube subscribers sent a great question in. Hey, Patrick, what are some benefits of naming a professional trustee of our family trust? Folks, from my experience, when we're designing the client's trust, we typically name the client's top most suitable trustee. We'll say Bill and Mary have their 3 children, Mo, Larry, and Curly. Hey, Patrick, Mo's our oldest child. He's fairly responsible. We're naming Mo as our trustee. But sometimes that may not work because Mo may need to act as trustee for his brother, Curly, who has been proven not to manage his money so responsibly and misappropriating his money, misspending his money, and letting everything that mom and dad worked so hard for just go out the window. So they're like, hey, Mo, we want you to be the trustee for your brother Curly. But then the elder law attorney may do some counseling and say, well, will that be detrimental to the relationship between siblings? And the clients might ponder a moment and say, yeah, that would put a real strain on their relationship because they have a really good relationship now. But if Curly's looking for distributions and disbursements from his trust, and Mo says you cannot have a second vehicle or a third television set that's frivolous spending, that's not fiscally responsible, and Curly may get upset at Mo and it might spoil their good relationship. So maybe, Patrick, we hire a professional independent trustee, a non-family member. And that's the context of this question right here, folks. The number one benefit of a professional trustee would be professional management. And a professional trustee could be a bank that has a trust department or a financial company that has a trust department. And they have what they call trust officers who have training and education in the field as a trustee. They know how to say the magic word no to Curly, who's looking for excess funds or unnecessary funds that Curly's looking to spend irresponsibly and so forth. That may not align with the terms and conditions of the trust. So that professional trustee, they're educated and trained. Sometimes the trustee might be an attorney or a financial advisor or maybe the family CPA accountant, and maybe they're licensed and insured as well. That's a big benefit right there because if they make a mistake, they may or should have professional liability insurance that would cover that omission or mistake that they could be liable for, right? So professional management, licensed and insured are big benefits to a professional trustee, okay? The other big benefit is they can say no, and that's going to hopefully maintain and retain the family good relationship. So now it's not Mo saying no to Curly, it's the professional trustee from the bank or the family CPA that is saying, no, sorry, Curly, your mom and dad were good friends of mine and they told me not to give you money for your 3rd car or your 4th television set. They want you to maintain this money for your use and enjoyment to pay your housing, your medical insurance, your bills, so you can live a long life and the money will last you throughout your lifetime. So they need a professional trustee to be firm with a potential beneficiary that they can say no. And the other big benefit, as I mentioned a moment ago, is maintain family relations. From my experience, clients want to do the 3 Ps I talk about in my book: protect the family assets, preserve the value of the family assets in their treasure chest, okay, or their trust, the real estate, the non-real estate. But they want to do the 3rd P, pass it on as a meaningful legacy to the people they love the most. Guess what, folks? They also want to do that 3 Ps for the family relationships. So that's a big benefit right there. That'll allow Mo and Curly to maintain their good sibling relationships as they journey through life. That's really important for a lot of the clients right there. So strongly consider a professional trustee if your family situation warrants that. Other examples, real life examples, when we're designing a client's trust, they may say, we do not have any children of our own. Who do we pick? Well, those folks without a suitable family member may be limited on their picks of a trustee, so they may want to consider a professional trustee. Folks, hopefully this educational video was helpful. If you would like to learn more, I strongly recommend pick up a copy of my new book on Amazon, 20 Elder Law Strategies That Will Win the Battle, Elder Law Attorney Patrick Kelleher. Be sure to click the subscribe and notification bells, folks, because we will continue to keep you updated on our growing YouTube channel. Thanks for being here today at elderlawcare.com.